Finally got it to 30. That's where I set the beats. See me at all or didn't care. That's our Prius. Let's hope he doesn't get here. All right, so today we got the E-Rides pedal lowering kit for the V14. Let's open it up. It's a lot of tape. There's already a fat scratch in these. That's not what you want to see. I wonder how that even happened. Must have been during the milling process. Got a little tube of Loctite, which is nice, along with all the screws that you need. So I have 4 bolts, 5mm that I need to undo. Yeah, it should be a 4mm. There we go. Even that one had Loctite on it. These are not the same length. I did not see any instructions, by the way, in the box, so that's kind of weird. Let me make sure of that. Yeah, 0 instructions. So basically I'm going off of a video I saw from Now You See Me. Make sure I do this correctly. Interesting, so it looks like the same thickness, so I guess that makes sense that you would use the same screw. So it looks like it sits about, I don't know, 3 or 4mm below the existing one. Unless that was like that before. Maybe only a couple millimeters. All right, should be solid. You have that low position, medium position, and then there's the high position, but eRides basically sent an email and they've updated their website saying that you shouldn't be doing off-roading at the highest setting because I guess it can damage either the hanger or the pedal. So they are only recommending you use this kit for lowering, which is interesting. Which is also why they're not, I think, providing the new fairing, but I still want to follow up with that because I would love to get a wider fairing to have more room for the pads. So the 5 screws are for this guy. I need to figure out how to get, I think this is just a pin. Maybe it's just these 2 bolts here. I guess they're keeping it in place. All right, this looks to be maybe a 3 mil. Yeah, I know. All right. Okay, yeah, so there's a pin in there that I guess I missed beforehand. Let's go like that. Now we can put these back in. There we go. All right, so we're gonna do the lowest position here. I'm gonna get my bolts ready. All right, so we're gonna add a little Loctite to each of these. So we'll start with the top one. I'm not tightening all the way yet. So I'm gonna wait until all the screws are in. All right, now we can start to tighten these down. And then the last step is to put this guy in there. Oh wait, gotta go through there. All right, that's one side. Let's cap that up in the meantime.
All right, so we have the new eRides pedal lowering kit for the V14 at the lowest setting. So let's see how it feels.
high right now. Curious to try out this new seat as well. I do have to say though that the pedal lowering kit is definitely nice. It definitely feels easier to mount, and it feels, I think, more stable when you're riding. So that's a good purchase. Like Laird up there, down Oakland. The shipping container cranes, San Francisco, Bay Bridge. Still not really getting above 25. There we go. Finally got it to 30. That's where I set the beeps, the tilt back. I think that was the very first time I actually hit 30 miles an hour. Guess I'm getting more confident. Man, this thing is so fun, especially on these open roads. Holy moly. There's the speed limit sign. See how fast I'm going. 26? Yeah, that's about right. Car did not see me at all, or didn't care. Good practice in fast braking there. Our Prius for
I just wanted to close with some final thoughts about the E-Rides pedal lowering kit for the V14. Overall, I would say I'm happy with the purchase. I think it's a pretty solid product. The mounting I found is a lot easier with the pedals in that lowest position on the hangers, and I just felt more confident on the wheel, more balanced. You know, your center of gravity is lower, which helps with that. Obviously, if they had offered the newest pedal hangers where you can use the highest position, I of course would have gotten those instead, which are about maybe $25 more, something like that. But otherwise, you know, for 160 bucks, I think it was a pretty good product for me. I think it's definitely a good product for beginners who are, you know, learning to ride a heavier wheel like the V14. And yeah, I would definitely recommend them for whoever is interested in being able to change up your pedal heights. All right, well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.